Welcome to another video. Is this thing well, just please hurry up, please. Game. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this level looks easy, so I'm just gonna continue the story mode. Yeah. And oh, I forgot. Yeah, I wasn't ready. Sketch. There we go. Okay, that was scary. I got a new achievement. Let's go. Okay, this is starting to get more scary. Oh. Oh no, it's a jetpack robot. But it's easy. Why did I say that? No, you shall not. I shall not lose. Ha. Ha. You can't get me. I'm sorry. I did not. I'm sorry that I insulted you. Jeez. Yes. Yes. Ha. Okay. No, I won't. Don't listen to him. I'm not. Yes. Ha. Please be another respawn. Okay. A warning. Okay. How long is... Ooh. I'm not looking forward to what's behind that gate, because I know what's behind that gate. So, yeah. Yeah. And also today, you can tell what we're continuing. And it starts with the C. And it is Clone Drone in the Danger Zone. Be quiet. Ah. Oh, hello there. Ha ha ha, what's so funny now? 'Cause I just beat you up, boy. Ha! Oh my, he's still alive. And he's still scary. Ha! He got weak knees. I wish I got him. Ah! Ah! Ha! Okay, that was scary. Oh no! Yes, I got up here. Yeah. Ha! What you get for messing with me? Okay, I think down here is scary. Down here is scary. Archers are out of the way now. Hey, dude, I'm still your friends, right? Well, we're still friends, right? I thought we were friends. Oh no. How did that happen? Ow! Ha ha! Weak knees. Ow! Ow! Ah! Ah! Oh no! I was gonna beat him up. No, no, no! I shall not fall on that. No! No! Ah! Ah! That hurt. It even added a fart sound effect. Oh, now they're hammer bots. Huh, huh. Ha! Ha! I'm gonna. Ha ha! He's still standing. Oh no. Archers and bees. Usually this would be easy, but I can't jump. Well, usually it wouldn't be easy, even if I could jump. Oh yes. Thank you for doing that. Ha! Ha! Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Kick. Kick. Aw. No, please don't attack me. I am very scared of you. Oh no. Okay, that's too scary. That's too scary. He got me. I'm supposed to be getting him. Ha! No, you won't, because I still have 5 lives. Let's see who wins. Oh no. Oh! Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, I was gone for a second. One second. Okay. I have the biggest hammer. Okay. Okay, that just happened. That weird thing. Oh, I don't want to deal with him right now. Cause he's scary. Especially with these guys. And they have jetpacks. Oh no. Oh, he's not so scary anymore. Ugh. Okay. Oh no. Archers. How did he even do that? Haha. Haha. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is scary. 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 Yeah. You're not so scary. This is scary. No, it's not. Okay, I'm going insane. Get up. Okay. Oh no. No. You shall not pass. No. 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 Flame Raptor. One second. Okay, I'm back. Oh no. Eh. Ow. How dare you? Oh. How dare you? Ha. How is he not dying? Thank you. You think you're strong? Huh? Okay, let's move on. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Ha ha. Oh no. Oh no. This is too scary. This is too scary. Ha ha. There we go. Oh no. I don't like this part. That person is not the reason why. Ha ha! No! Oh no. She's bringing out the bow. He or she. Ha ha! Defeated! And let's okay. Oh no, don't attack, please. I would very much like if you wouldn't attack me, please. Ha ha! Ha! Oh no. Oh no. Ha! Yeah! Aw. Why don't you go on the ground like that? Okay, thank you. Yes! I am the human. Ooh, end of chapter 4. Did I do that first try? I think I did it first try. Where did all the robots on the sides go? Oh, yeah. Wait, they're fired? Wait. Hey, Emperor, I thought you wanted them to attack me. Oh, it's a different type of fire. He wants them to attack me. Okay, I'll do whatever you just said. Oh. Uh, uh, uh. Okay. Ooh. No. No. Meow. Uh, uh, Who are you? Yes, I can. He was talking while he was dying. I don't care about that missile. No, I still want to play these games. Ooh, I'm gonna climb up to the computer. No, you won't. No, you won't. Okay. Ooh! How dare these people? They try to destroy the planet before me? I'm just not gonna allow that. Oh, hi guys. Hi. I'm just gonna fire this. Cause you guys are fired. Aha! Defeated. Hi right there. Hi, your shield is gone. Could I help you? Oh no. Haha! They think they can destroy me. Oh my! Is that the Emperor? Okay, that's definitely the Emperor. Destroy him! Haha! What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my! Oh! Oh no! He can't get to my ship! Run! Get up! Get up! Go! Mm. Mm. Oh! Oh! No! 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 Drop kick! No, my friend! Uh, no! Oh, it's a cutscene. Yes, let's go. Oh, how could you let that happen? Okay. Okay. What is this? It's a door. Ah. He better not die. Oh, there he is. Ha! Ha! Where? How could you? You died to a hammer bot. I'd be less surprised if you died to an archer. Oh! Oh! Ooh, I get a bow now. Ooh! Ooh! How could you let that happen? Why did it do that twice? Okay. Oh! Oh! I have to do this all by myself now. Ha! 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 Oh! I was gonna do that without dying. Oh! A five. Oh no! Not high five apparently. Oh! 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 That hurt me. Oh! It's gonna get me. Oh no. Where's he at? Oh no. Oh. Ha! I defeated you. Ha! Oh my. Ow. What was that for? Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Ha! Get ripped. Where's my friend? Why isn't my friend coming back? Oh. Roundhouse. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's it for today's video. Bye.